Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today this is the last part of our chapter number 3 using mail merge. Okay, so here we are going to complete our mail merge document. In this session, first of all we see that which topics we are going to learn in this session. So in this session we are going to learn about inserting merge field, because last time we already create our recipient list, right? So that field we are going to merge with our document. Creating mail merge document means main document. What we are going to create? Main document, that is later. Okay, so we are going to create mail merge document, and at last viewing the merge data and printing your later, means that then afterward we will merge our data source and main document together, and one particular full complete letter we will see and print it. Clear everyone? So first thing I want to tell you that this is a practical session, and you know very well that in practical session we are you have to concentrate on my screen and on my pointer. Okay, whatever the steps I am performing, you have to concentrate there, and in the end using my video we have to do it practically by your own in your laptop, PC, tablet or phone. Everywhere you can do it. Okay everyone, so be concentrate and be attentive. Clear? So let's start. Okay, so first thing I want to tell you that this is a mail merge document. Okay, and for creating a mail merge document, what we have to open, which software we are going to open, this must be then only you can create mail merge document. If you don't know that which software I open, PowerPoint I open, Microsoft Word open or Excel open, you don't know about it, then how you can do it? So last time also I told you that you have to open Microsoft Word for creating mail merge document. Clear everyone? So first of all I magnify my screen and showing you. Okay, so let's start with opening Microsoft Word by clicking on Start button. Click on Start button and search about your Microsoft Word. If you didn't get it, then there is a shortcut way, which the thing I already taught you last year also and this year also, that if you don't get any software, then you can search here also, or on a taskbar you pin your favorite program which helps directly opening it. Okay, here I pin Microsoft Word on a taskbar. So directly take your mouse pointer on a taskbar and click on it. Whenever you click, first of all when it open, we are not saving any file, so click on blank document. Okay, do you remember the steps for creating mail merge document? If no, then concentrate here. First of all, we are going to click on tab. Which tab? Mailing tab. You got it as mailing tab? You can see my pointer. Okay, so click on mailing tab. Whenever you click on mailing tab, there is a third option, start mail merge. Which option is there? Start mail merge. So click on down arrow and open last option, step by step mail merge wizard. Whenever you click on step by step mail merge wizard, on the right hand side one more panel come with all steps to perform mail merge document. Clear everyone? So do you remember in the first step what we have to change? We are not changing anything in the first step, so directly go down and click on next step. In the second step, do you know which option we are going to choose? No, here also we are not going to choose any option, so directly go on a next step, means on a third step. Okay, now tell me, this time for recipient list we are choosing use an existing list or type a new list? This time we are not using type a new list option. Why? Because do you remember in last video we already create our recipient list and save it. It means that we have a list. So this time we are clicking on use an existing list. Clear everyone? When we click type a new list, when we not have any type of recipient list, then only. But last time we already created and save it, so it means we have a recipient list. So click on use an existing list. So how we can open that recipient list which we create last time? So click on browse option. You can see browse option. Yes, so click on browse option. So one open window come on your screen. Okay, so wherever you choose it means you saved it. Click on from a left hand side which saved on a desktop. So click on desktop. What is the name of our file? So whatever your file name is there, that one you have to click, and then afterward click on open button. This is a list we create. Yes, this one is a list we create. So directly click on OK. Whenever you click on OK, your recent recipient list comes here. Okay, it means that you attach your recipient list with your letter. Okay, so let's go on the next step for write your letter. Okay, now before writing a letter, we know that if you want to print your letter with a beautiful handwriting in a beautiful color, so go to home tab first of all, then choose your font style from here, and then afterward choose the font size and start writing after that one. Clear everyone? So suppose that I am choosing this one, Book Antica. Font size, suppose I am doing 26, and font color, suppose that I am choosing green one. Okay everyone, so now going again in a mailing tab after choosing everything. Clear? Then afterward, here is a before writing any letter on the left hand side top side, before on the top of the letter, what we are doing? We are adding what? First name, last name, then the address, right? So for that we are inserting merge field. What we are inserting? Merge field, which is in your table. Whenever you create your recipient list, whatever the fields are there, that one only comes here, not extra fields. Okay, whatever the in table, that one only comes. So first what we have to insert? First name. So click on first name. Whenever you click on first name, it comes like this. So don't try to write like this, greater than sign and first name. It is wrong. You cannot write like this. You have to insert field from insert merge field and first choose first name. Whenever you click on first name, it comes like this. Okay, now tell me, before inserting last name, what we have to give between first name and last name? We have to give first of all space. If you not give space, first name and last name come without any space. Okay, so give space and then again go to insert merge field and last name. Okay, so first name and last name comes in a single line. Now go on the next line. First of all, before adding address, you have to go on a next line and click on insert merge field. What we have to insert now? Address line 1. Look at this. Okay, now tell me where you have to write down city on the next line. So first of all press enter, then again go to insert merge field and click on city. Okay everyone, so whenever you merge your document and your recipient list, first name take a first name, last name take last name, whatever the address of that first name is there, that one, and whatever the city of that person is, come here. Clear everyone? Now press enter key. Now after writing this all thing, what we are writing? Dear. What we are writing? Dear. After dear, what are you writing? Or friend or anyone's name. Okay, so how anyone's name come? We are not particularly write down anyone's name because there are so many friends we are inserting here. So we are taking which field? First name field. Okay, so after dear, give space and again go to insert merge field, and what we have to insert? First name. Okay, so in each letter, this first name is there, that one after dear also come. Clear everyone? Now press enter key, space, and then afterward we are going to write down our letter. So here is our letter. Hope you are in good health. I am also fit and fine. Okay, I magnify it, closing it, so all one can see easily. Clear? So fit and fine by the blessing of God. I guess you already know that my birthday is on this coming Thursday. That is 11th June. So I am writing this letter to you to invite you in my birthday celebration. I will be very happy if you join with us in this celebration. I hope for you presents on this day. Lastly, write down regards and suppose that anyone's name, suppose ABC. Okay everyone, here we complete our letter. First name, last name, address line 1, city, then the year, first name. Suppose anyone's name comes here. Then afterward our letter that hope you are in good health. I am also fit and fine by blessing of God. I guess you already know that my birthday is on this coming Thursday, that is 11th June. So I am writing this letter you in my birthday celebration. I will be happy if you join with us in this celebration. I hope for your presence on this day. Regards, anyone's name means your name. Okay, now click on finish and merge option. Which option we have to choose? Finish and merge. So making it zoom and showing you. Finish and merge. It will ask to you 3 things, that edit individual document, printing document or sending document. First of all, we edit individual document. Okay, it will ask to you that all documents you want, means all data you want to insert, current record or from to from. We are inserting all data. So click on OK. Whenever you click on OK, it will show you this way. On a first name come, its surname, its address, his city. Then afterward, after the year, we use first name. Whatever the first name of before that one, that comes here. Okay, the letter is same. This is the first letter. Now the second letter downside. Look at this on a new page. Second letter, first name. Okay, as per the here, first name is Pretty. After the year also Pretty comes. Okay, then the third letter. Look at this. Sneha Singh, Moon Residency, Surat. Then afterward, dear Sneha. Look at this. Clear everyone? So it means what? That we write down only one time letter and it comes on a 4 page, means for 4 friends we create this letter. We want to send this letter to 4 friends, or for 4 friends in a single typing you create it. This is the use of mail merge option. Clear everyone, or got it or not? Yes. So just create your recipient list, one time only type your letter, add the merging fields, and then at the end of this main document and merging fields, add both things, and you can create any number of 100 numbers of also letters on your single typing. Clear everyone? So this one is a use of mail merge document, mail merge option at the time of when you have to send same letter to more than one person, and you want to use your strand, your time. At that time you can use this mail merge wizard. Okay, and in the end you can click on mailing tab, and then afterward you can also send it directly, like printing document or send the mail merge. Suppose when you click on printing document, it comes like this. Okay, and it's print on a letter, you can post it. Or you want to mail directly to so click on the send mail merge option, email option, and then afterward this letter sent to particular mail addresses. Clear everyone? So this is a mail merge option. One time you have all steps in your computer textbook. Use my video, use your textbook, and one time create your own recipient list and your own letter, merge both datas together and create one merge document. Okay, so keep it up, but don't forget to do this practical by your own. Okay everyone, so one time you can take a snapshot one by one after from my video, and you can do it by yourself. You can use your textbook also, there is also all steps. Okay, but don't forget to do this as a practical by your own. If you are not doing it by yourself, you cannot get it how to do it, but try it. Clear everyone? Till then, all ones, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye everyone.